Hello, Miss Cole!
Thank you, everyone.
Miss Cole, we're preparing for the signing ceremony with Holt Corp in 3 days. Joe Holt will be the top businessman of Velia once we award the START project to Holt Corp.
Joe was devastated after the car crash 3 years ago. Holt Corp faced a decline. To avoid putting pressure on him, I didn't reveal my identity. I can tell him the truth, now that he is successful.
Are you...
It's our anniversary today. I'm leaving now. Thank you for your hard work.
You don't have to be so formal with me.
I'm leaving now.
Be careful.
Cool. Doesn't he have a meeting?
Joel, are you done showering?
This voice? Sue Cole?
Mia, we haven't seen each other for 3 years. Did you miss me?
Why are you on my bed wearing my nightgown? Get lost!
Joel let me in. Ouch. He was too rough with me. It hurts. Did you not satisfy him?
You too.
What about us? Mia, look at you. No wonder Joel says you're not responsive in bed. How dare you hit me?
I only hit mistresses like you.
A mistress is the unloved person in a relationship. So what if you're Mrs. Holt? It's me he thinks about.
You're lying!
I'm lying? We were previously engaged. Did you think you could marry him if he didn't injure his leg in the car crash 3 years ago? I didn't want to marry a cripple.
You knew it all along.
Yes, I found out after his surgery. I even know how he married you because he didn't want to trouble me. You're just a caregiver in his eyes.
Shut up!
Mia, please don't hit me.
Sue, are you alright? Mia Cole, don't go overboard.
What? I didn't even touch her! She's pretending!
She's your sister! She treats you well! How can you do this to her?
Get up!
Don't hit me, Mia! Get
up!
Stop!
Joe, my head hurts too.
You better hope Sue is fine.
Mia Cole. This is the guy you've loved for 10 years. It's time to put an end to this pathetic situation.
Mia, what are you up to this time?
Madam Holt, I'm going to the hospital.
Joe told me to prepare this. A useless piece of trash like you isn't fit to be the whole family's daughter-in-law.
That wasn't what you said when Joe injured himself 3 years ago.
So what? We agreed to the marriage so that you would be Joe's caregiver. Otherwise, you would be unworthy of marrying into the Holt family. Hurry up. Sign the agreement and get lost.
I'll agree to the divorce if Joe tells me in person.
Wait, did I say you could leave? Hey! How dare you hit me?
Mia Cole!
How dare you hit me? How dare you? How dare you? The audacity! Joe, hit her!
Mom, enough!
Why are you defending her? You're ungrateful! Look! My cheek is red!
Are you insane? How dare you hit my mom? You're bleeding. Go to the hospital.
Weren't you sending Sue?
I told my assistant to do it. I came back for you because I was worried. I didn't expect
Joe Holt, you're calling me. You're always turning a blind eye on how others treat me.
That's your excuse for hitting my mom. What about Sue? She had to go to the hospital because of you. What more do you want?
What? She hit Sue?
You must be blind. Could you tell she was pretending?
This bitch must be jealous of Sue.
The Holts wouldn't be successful if not for me. I've always tolerated you. Whenever you hit me!
Bitch, how dare you talk back? I'll hit you real hard.
Enough! Quit it! Yes, what? Alright.
What happened?
Mom, MY Corp has agreed to give us the Star Project.
Oh,
We'll sign a contract in 3 days.
that's my son. You managed to get such a huge project. I was right. Sue brings good luck to our family. It's been smooth sailing for us since her return. Some people aren't even qualified to be a janitor at MY Corp. What are you laughing at, you trash?
I was the one who gave Hallcorp and Joe the Star Project. It has nothing to do with Sue Cole at all!
You? Mia Cole, you're abandoned by the Coles, your own family. You have no idea what MY Corp is. You might as well tell us you're the CEO of MY Corp.
I am.
Enough, Mia. What's wrong with you? Don't you know MY Corp is a legend in the industry? Who are you to be connected to them?
It's the truth. Joe, you just wouldn't believe me.
Joe, just ignore her. Joe, you should let Sue be the chief designer of the Star Project.
Yeah, I did promise Sue.
You worked so hard to get the Star Project just to boost Sue's career?
Of course! Sue is the daughter-in-law of the Holt family. She is Joe's true love. Of course we have to give her the best.
It's not like that, Mom.
Am I wrong? As if you'll give it to Mia.
Joe Holt, let's get a divorce.
What did you say?
Sign this. I'll leave without a single penny.
Joe, sign it now. Do it.
Come with me.
Let me go!
Come!
Let me go! Let me go! Let me...
You haven't prepared the divorce agreement. What are you up to now?
You're the one who told your mom to prepare it. Yeah, you're asking me?
I didn't do such a thing.
It doesn't matter. You're just like her.
What do you mean? Explain yourself.
Joe Holt, we've been married for 3 years. Did you ever like me? Even the tiniest bit?
I'll take care of you forever, since I married you. You shouldn't think of anything else.
Because of Sue, you still love her even though she abandoned you? Is that why you allowed her to seduce you in our own home?
Mia Cole! Don't accuse me of such things with your dirty thoughts.
I'm dirty!
Are you not? You drugged me to sleep with me. How is that not dirty?
I already said I didn't do it! Why won't you believe me? Whatever. Let's divorce.
No. No way!
Is it because you love me that you don't want a divorce?
I'll never love someone like you.
True. You only love Sue. You'll never love me. It's your turn to sign this.
Mia Cole, don't say I didn't remind you. Everything you own was given by me. You're nothing. Once you leave me.
Open your eyes as you clearly did. I might be better off without you.
Fine. Don't regret this.
I'll never regret divorcing you.
Stop! You think you can leave just like that?
I've divorced your son. What more do you want?
Let her leave.
No way. Everything on you belongs to the Holts. You need to return them before you leave.
Forget it, Mom.
Hurry up!
Fine. You had someone pick this because you were too busy to celebrate our first anniversary. You got this as an afterthought when I went to fetch you at the airport on the second anniversary. You gave me these shoes for my birthday because Lena didn't want them.
Miyako!
This pair of pants is the only item we brought together.
Enough. Haven't you embarrassed yourself enough? Scram!
Did you hear that? Joe says you're an embarrassment. Get lost!
Thank you for the humps. I'll get lost now.
Miyako! I await the day you come back to beg me.
Wait. Take off your wedding ring.
If you would just apologize.
Joe, don't waste your time. Hurry up! What's with the delay? Joe! Let her leave.
Joe Holt, I'm tired of loving you. For 10 years, everything comes to an end here. I'm going to be myself again.
Isn't she the daughter-in-law that Madame Holt dislikes? Looks like she's been thrown out. I heard that even her own family doesn't want her.
Oh well, that's what you get for trying to climb the social ladder.
Ouch!
Mia? Don't worry. I am here.
Why is that guy carrying Mia away? Could it be...
Joe, listen to me. Just divorce Mia. A lowly woman like her is not a good match for you.
She's throwing a tantrum. She'll be back soon.
What do you mean? Aren't you divorcing her?
She has nowhere to go besides you. Also, she didn't bring any luggage with her. By the way, Mom, did you give her the divorce agreement?
I'm doing this for your own good.
Yeah, right.
Oh, Sue, you're here. How are you?
Madam Holt, I'm fine. Joel,
Did my assistant send you to the hospital? You're back so soon?
the doctor said I could rest at home. I was afraid because you weren't there to accompany me.
Good to see you're fine. Get some rest.
Did Mia go out just now?
Did you bump into her?
I saw a man carrying her away.
What?
I don't know how long Mia's known that guy. They seem to be quite close.
No wonder this shameless woman left just like that. Turns out she has another man.
Miyako, that you insist on divorcing because you have a new man.
Joel, don't be sad.
Yes. Sue is back. You can pick up where you left off. Joe, don't forget, if it weren't for Sue, who had saved you from the fire at the countryside years ago, you would have... Sue is finally back now. Please be good to her.
I'll never forget her kindness.
It's no big deal, Joel. Madam Holt, I heard the CEO of MY Corp will be attending the signing ceremony. My teacher is the chief designer at MY Corp. I'll ask him to put in a good word for Joel.
That's great. I heard the founder of MY Corp is a legend in the industry. All the big bosses have tried their best to meet her for the past 3 years, but to no avail.
Joel, don't worry. I'll make sure you get to meet her.
Thank you.
I'd do anything for you. Joel, wake up!
Sue.
Doctor, how is she?
She just had a mild concussion. She just needs to rest.
Thank you.
I'm sorry you had to see that.
You injured your hand many years ago while saving Joe. You can't even hold a pen now. You're forced to give up designing. Yet look at how he's treating you.
Joe. Joe! We're divorced. It's all in the past.
Are we still giving Holt Corp the project?
Joe wants to boost Sue's career with it. He must be dreaming.
I'll get it cancelled.
Wait, this is huge news. We should announce it when there are more people around.
Are you referring to the signing ceremony in 3 days? Sounds good. I'll announce the disqualification of Holt Corp from the STAR project. We'll see how the Holt react to this.
I look forward.
MY Corp is something. They've invited everyone important in Zonos to the signing ceremony.
The CEO of MY Corp will be here too. Everyone in Zonos is looking forward to her appearance.
Yes, Sue. I get to see the CEO of MY Corp in person, all thanks to you.
Madam Holt, I think that's the car that belongs to the CEO of MY Corp. Huh? There's no way it's her.